Hi guys, this is Divyan from DB Tech. Welcome to another video on our channel. I'm super excited about this video because in this video we'll be doing unboxing of the OnePlus 6. This is my favorite and this is everyone's favorite right now. So let us unbox this phone. There's also a surprise for you guys in this video. You probably know what the surprise is from the title of the video. The rules of the giveaway can be anywhere in the video. It can be at the end or it can be the beginning. So you have to watch the entire video to know how to win this phone. So without any further ado, let's unbox this phone and let's get started. Alright guys, so before unboxing this device, let me give you specifications of this device. So this phone comes out of the box with 20 megapixel and 16 megapixel dual camera setup. It has a 16 megapixel front facing camera. The front sports a 6.28 inch Full HD optical AMOLED display with 19:9 display ratio, and it comes out of the box with 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass. So this phone comes out of the box with 6GB RAM and 64GB and 128GB variants. There are 3 colors available, that is mirror black, midnight black, and it comes in white color as well. This phone also comes in Marvel editions, so if you are planning to buy OnePlus device, then I'll leave a link. You can check all the variants down in the description box. Now let us start with the unboxing of the phone. So the box looks pretty neat. It comes with OnePlus 6 branding everywhere on the side and on the front, and it comes with a plastic covering on the box. So let us get rid of all the plastic covering. And once you unbox it, you will see the device itself. So let us put the device aside for a while and see what are the box contents. So inside the box you will find a USB Type-C cable, and a dash charger adapter. When you unbox this device looks gorgeous. The back of the device looks pretty neat and it comes with Gorilla Glass protection as well. So let me get rid of all the stickers from the back. Back version, and let me tell you, it looks pretty neat. OnePlus also provides a TPU clear case with the phone itself, so that is a good thing. Inside and with the case you will find safety and warranty information and also the SIM ejector tool. So it is a pretty good case and it will provide good protection to your device. But still I recommend you to use a tempered glass as well. So let me give you physical overview of this device. So on the right you will find a volume slider which is texturized. So you'll be able to distinguish it from the power button. So that is a good thing. And right below the slider you will find the power button. On the back you will find the dual camera setup with fingerprint sensor right below it and OnePlus branding. On the left hand side you will find volume rocker. At the bottom you will find speaker grill, USB Type-C port and 3.5mm headphone jack. So let us boot the device for the first time. So when I booted up the device, it gave me a pretty nice haptic feedback. And my first impression is this device looks amazingly gorgeous. The bezels on this device are incredibly small and it is pretty vibrant display as well. Let me finish up the setup process and I'll show you more of the device. So this is a huge beautiful display. I am pretty sure my camera is not able to do justice to how beautiful this display looks, but it is pretty amazing. OnePlus has done a pretty good job with the display on this device. And I have set up the face unlock as well. And let me tell you, the face unlock on this device is very snappy. It unlocks the device in a second. So that is a good thing as well. The Android version. So this phone comes out of the box with Oxygen OS 5.1.0 It is a 6GB RAM variant and it comes out of the box with Android 8.1.0, that is Android Oreo. This is the camera interface of the device and it is pretty neat. I'll make a separate video about the camera if you guys want. So let me know in the comment section down below. Apart from that, this is a 64GB variant and it comes out of the box with 53GB of usable space. So that was the unboxing of this device. If you want me to review this device, then let me know in the comment section down below. Now let's talk about the rules of the giveaway. Alright guys, so to win this device, all you have to do is subscribe to our channel. There's a subscribe button down below. Second, you have to share this video with your friends and family. You can share it anywhere on your social media. You can share it on WhatsApp. You can also share it on Facebook or Twitter, anywhere you want. You have to share this video. After that, you need to comment one thing that you like about this device in the comment section down below. And the fourth rule is that you have to hit the like button. If by any chance this video crosses 1000 likes, then I will be giving away one more device. It can be OnePlus 6 or it can be any other device. So you need to share this video as much as possible and ask everyone to like this video so that I'll be doing more giveaways in the future. And on 30th of June, I will be announcing the winner of this giveaway on my Instagram or on Twitter. So you need to follow me there as well. I'll be announcing it on 30th of June. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in the next one.